Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I have an unboxing. So I did purchase another bag from eBay. So if you haven't seen my other video, I purchased a Louis Vuitton Petite Noe. So this time I decided to go with something else, and I was able to win on an auction a vintage Prada bag. It is a shoulder bag, and I am going to unbox it with you guys and show you what I purchased. I have definitely been on a bag hunt. I just go to like Winners or HomeSense if you're like, or I would say Winners, and I like to buy from Coach, Outlet, stuff like that, or the outlet malls. But I've been feeling like, the quality is just not that great. Purchasing from a lot of those stores. I like Coach because the majority of the bags I buy are leather bags. So the quality I will say is okay, but I definitely wanted to get something, and I was able to bid on this and won. It was $97 US, and here it is. So I don't know exactly what the condition is going to look like. You can see from the pictures, but not until you get things sort of up close. So that's the risk you take when you do purchase pre-love from any website. It is a black nylon, because I know the nylon bags have been reissued, so it definitely is one of the more popular options from Prada. And it is just this nylon and leather shoulder bag. So this is the size. On the mannequin, it had looked quite big, so it looked like more of a tote bag, but I'm super happy that it is like a good size. So as you can see, here is the shoulder straps. It does have a vintage smell to it, where it has that more musky odor. You could tell it's a really well-made bag. So all of the hardware, everything is in great condition. So I will definitely turn the camera around once I unbox this and clean it up and show you what it looks like. So I hate that, they have to fold it, but once I condition it, it should be really nice. So here it is. It is beautiful. So the hardware just says Prada, and then I'm going to stuff the bag as well. And I love it because it is, even though they make these bags over and over again over the years, like they're still very like classic style. So even though it's an open tote, you have one side here that's open, and then the other side, and then this wonderful zip compartment. The zip probably could use some moisturizing, but it is opening at least, so that is good. So I'm definitely going to moisturize it. It just came in from the cold. It is a freezing day, so that could be reason why it feels very cold. So here is what it looks like. It's probably so hard to pick up, but it just says Prada everywhere in this bag. It is gorgeous. So let's see. Inside here, it just says Prada, and it says Prada Milano, and it's made in Italy. And then the trim here is all done in leather. And as I said, because it was folded, but I think this is like the perfect little on-the-go shoulder bag. It definitely needs some cleaning. I have some charcoal pouches that I purchased from, let me stuff it. And it's a perfect bag for like just every day. I love it. It's super, super cute. So that is what it looks like here. And as you can see, it is just a little tote. And then I'm going to stuff this side, get, get some shape back into it. But I'm going to now probably flip it around and show you how I'm going to wipe it down, clean it up, use some baby wipes. But I don't see any string like pulling out or anything of that nature. The corners have worn pretty well. So yeah, this is my new vintage Prada. So let's turn it around and clean it up. Okay, so what I'm going to use to clean this bag is some baby wipes. This is alcohol free. It's pretty much 99% water based. I have some leather cleanser, and I do have some charcoal bags. So I purchased these on eBay. It's by Basic Concepts, and it is to remove like odors. So it's basically like more of a eco-friendly version of those packs that would remove like scents, because this is a charcoal based, and it's just called Bamboo Charcoal Odor Absorbers. You get 4. It asks you to place it in the sun for 2 hours a month to rejuvenate it. So before you use it, 2 hours in the sun, and it should last for 2 years. You do get 4 pouches. So I'm using one in another bag right now. And I'm just going to start cleaning this. So as you can see, there's a bit of like some scuff marks. So I have a cloth here that I was using to clean another bag, and I'm going to use just this corner here and start wiping it down with a baby wipe first, actually, just to kind of remove like all the surface dirt. And then I will go in wiping it with the cleanser, the leather cleanser, for all of the leather parts. I said earlier, I hate the fact that they had to fold it, because then I think it puts like all these creases in it, but that is the cheapest way. This time they shipped with DHL, and it was pretty seamless. They just left the package, so I don't have any problems. The pockets are nice and clean, so this bag doesn't look like it was, even if it was used a lot, I mean, it still looks great. So, and I'm actually going to stuff it as well afterwards to try to keep the shape. Even though it's a nylon, it's supposed to be squishy, I just want to take out some of this, like the creases in the leather. So now that I've wiped it down, I'm just going to use some cleanser. I'm just going to put some cleanser on here in this corner and start wiping down the leather. So I went with a black bag this time, because I was like, you know what? For me, just like my everyday, I was looking for just an everyday bag, something that I can, you know, use regularly. And I love that when things are already like, you know, vintage or worn in, because I'm a thrifter, that, you know, you don't have to worry about like the wear and tear, because the wear and tear is already there. So you're not worrying about it, you know, getting ruined. You didn't break the bank to buy it, and you can start using it right away. So that's what I like about, you know, buying vintage pieces, buying used pieces, because you don't have that same, you know, like you're not afraid to use it. So I'm just going to use this cleanser and wipe it down. And I love when the cleanser like goes on it, you can see all that coming off. I don't know if it's the actual like color or if it's just dirt that's lifting from it, but either way, we're going to cleanse it, make sure it's nice and clean, and the leather will hold up for however long I have this bag. And my daughter's starting to take my things. She is a teenager, so, you know, bags like this are always great to have in your collection. And these young girls like all of these brands. So I'm just going to cleanse it, and then I don't know if I can use, so apply evenly surfaces until dry for best results. Use the water and stain protector after the 5 steps. So I'm actually going to let this dry, and then I will finally go in on the leather parts with this Apple leather care. So this is an Apple brand product. You could purchase it on Amazon, and it will condition your leather. So I'm going to let this dry, the cleanser on it, and that's it. So here is the toe. It is super cute. I love that now once I got it, it's not super huge, because it kind of looked like almost as big as a Neverfull on like the mannequin it was displayed on. But now that I see it in person, it is like the perfect everyday like grab and go. So I do actually have some bonding agent. Let me show you. So I have this, which is a leather, is by Feebings, and it's their edge coat. So you can use this on all leather trims and edges. So anytime your edges start to look worn along here, they start to crack, or they don't look well anymore, and they're starting to peel, you can rub this along the edges with um, either the tool, like the roller tool that I've shown, or you can use just a Q-tip and go over the edges, and it will give it a nice, you can peel it away and redo it, or just kind of go over whatever cracks are you know, in this, in the leather, right? So that is another good thing to use, and that's just called edge coat. And same thing, you can get it on, I see it on Walmart, or this one was purchased from Amazon. So that is it. I'm going to stuff it and put it away. It is a beauty. I think I'm going to go inside with some more of this. But yeah, that is basically how I'm going to clean it and use it. And then I will probably be back with what's in my bag, hopefully soon. Because every month or so, every couple weeks, I like to switch out my bags, change it up, and, use all my bags. Because I'm like, before I used to be like, oh yeah, I'm going to save it for a special occasion. And then I seen this one like Instagram post, and it's like, girl, every day is a special occasion. So it's true. Use your stuff, don't wait. Tomorrow is never promised, and I think, I'm a, carpe diem kind of person, like, and I'm all for seizing the day and enjoying life to the fullest. So that is it. So that is my bag cleanup and my unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, I do planning videos. I do what's in my bag videos and unboxings on my channel. So check it out and check out my other videos and playlists, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye.